In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import invoices into Zoho Books from Google Sheets. Whether you're managing a small business or a large company, Zoho Books offers an efficient way to handle your financial tasks. Importing invoices directly from Google Sheets can save you precious time by reducing manual entry errors. Let's dive right in. To begin, open your Google Sheet with the invoices you want to import. Once you're in that document, head to the File menu located at the top left of your screen. Hover over Download, and you'll see several file format options. Here, you're going to select comma-separated values, or more commonly known as a CSV file. This format ensures that your data structure is preserved and easily readable by other software, like Zoho Books. Next, log into your Zoho Books account on your preferred web browser. Once you're in, look for the left sidebar. This is your main navigation pane to access different sections within Zoho Books. Click on Sales, and from the submenu that appears, choose Invoices. This section is essentially your command center for managing all invoicing aspects. Now, it's time to start the import process. In the Invoices section, locate the More icon, which appears as 3 dots stacked vertically in the upper right corner. Click on this icon, and from the drop-down, select Import Invoices. This action will start the setup to bring your Google Sheets data into Zoho Books. Once you've selected Import Invoices, you'll need to upload your previously downloaded CSV file. Click on Choose File and browse your computer for the CSV file you saved from Google Sheets. Select it, and you're halfway there. The next critical step is mapping your fields. Zoho Books will show you a set of columns from your CSV file and ask how they correspond to specific fields in Zoho Books. This might seem a bit technical, but it's straightforward. It's essentially matching the data from your sheet to Zoho Books' system so that everything is organized correctly. If you're unsure about this step or want to double-check, Zoho provides a sample file you can download and compare to see how your columns should be aligned. After mapping, you'll get a chance to preview the data. Carefully review this preview to ensure that everything looks accurate and nothing is out of place. This is your last opportunity to catch any errors before the final import. If everything checks out, click Import to complete the transfer. And there you have it. Your Google Sheets invoices are now a part of your Zoho Books account. With these steps, managing your invoices has never been smoother. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to revisit any step if needed. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video tutorial.